Well, the good thing is the wind's blowing this way, so it'll help us paddle.
Are we going that way?
Yeah, we'll go down
Yes, that works out perfect.
Where's the wind when you need it?
I was gonna say, now that we actually need it.
It always dies. Oh, water's draining. Fish on.
Nice.
Yep.
That was instant.
Yep.
Nice work.
We're in the zone, Steve. You felt so much bigger.
Is it just all the weeds that? Go. Samong caught our first bass of the day.
It's an improvement. I thought it was gonna be like a 3-pounder, but I'll take this. Considering that we're fishing in like a windstorm, I'll take it, kind of. That's actually a nice fish.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Not a bad one. Throw this one back. All right, thank you for the fight. You gonna jump? Nope.
Wait, guys, we're out here at the lake. I'm trying to put my glasses up. Wait, guys, we're out here at Eloika Lake, Washington today. It's a beautiful day as far as the sun goes. There's not really many clouds in sight, but as far as the wind, I would estimate we got about 15 to 20 mile an hour winds, which seems to be the story anytime I fish with Samong nowadays. So anytime we decide to go fishing, it gets windy, but nevertheless, we're having a great time. Samong's caught 2 fish already. He's got a crappie and a nice little largemouth, so I need to catch up.
These are hardest to tell. I mean, we're in like 15 mile per hour winds.
Oh,
Bobber.
yep, it's showing.
I think you have my line too, but we'll be all right here. Oh yes, Steve.
Let's go.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Very nice.
I have no idea.
Finally.
It's mine. Keep it on line.
Oh, really?
What the heck?
What?
He's on line. What the?
How did that even work out?
I don't know. Your bobber drained, but
yeah, and I said the hook, and I was.
You said the hook for me. Oh, I thought you were on. Oh, I got a fish.
Nice. Where did my bobber go? He
I
says.
know. I went to look at my phone, and sure enough, my bobber's gone. Feels like a bass. Fighting like a bass. Oh, that is a crappie. Oh my goodness.
That's a big crappie, dude.
Oh my
See
goodness.
if I can net him for you.
Oh my goodness. Got me some salad too.
Nice.
Appreciate it.
Seaweed salad.
Alright. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one.
Oh yeah.
Come on, baby.
Nice work. Get the net. Yeah.
Alright. In the net.
Go.
There we go. Appreciate it.
Nice work.
There we go. It's on? Yep. Oh yeah. Let me know when you have them close. Sounds like he's flying very good. Right here. Got him.
Sir. Very nice. Awesome. That was kind of. There you guys go. Second crappie of the day. Let's go.
Oh my God, Steve, I told you you're killing it.
Once you get on the school, that's all it takes. Yeah.
Oh God, that's a nice hit.
Nice crappie. Here you guys go. Another crappie. And here's what I'm using. Just a little jig head. I think it's a 1/32 or something. With this little grub on there. And they're loving it. Let's go. If you want a shot of a bobber down,
Right now.
this is the moment. Hey, you guys, this guy's kind of small. They have to be at least 9 inches on this lake, and even if it's close, I don't want to test my luck, so we're just gonna put him back.
Bobber drain. Oh, yeah, they're right here, dude.
Let's go.
Oh my, dude, they're munching that strike king.
Yeah, they love that strike king.
Yeah, you gotta go get yourself some.
A little bit of weed on there.
Good little guy.
Yep. Yeah, that one's legal, I think.
Oh, we're gone. Got one too. Yes, sir.
Ah, he got off.
Oh,
Come on.
man, at least you know they're there.
Yeah.
Get him. Let's go.
Oh, he got off. What the hell?
You gotta give it to him harder.
Yeah. Oh.
Right here, Steve.
Double. Let's go.
Dude. I'm gonna release mine. Because I think we're on school.
Let's see if mine's.
Oh, look, this guy's tiny. Yours is a keeper.
Well, guys, overall, I think we had a wonderful day fishing out here at Eloika Lake. It got a little bit windy for a little bit. I think I had a slow start, so Samong pretty much had his limit before I even got on the fish. But anytime he tries something new, it just takes you a little bit to kind of hone in the technique. And he definitely knows his crappie fishing, and it's getting hot out here, so get out here and get it while you can, and let me show you guys what we caught. That being said, you guys, it is getting evening time, and we're getting pretty hungry. And as usual, what kind of fishing video would be without a cooking catch, right? So let us get all our cooking stuff set up, and we're gonna fry up a couple of those bad boys. I'm just gonna go clean these up real fast. You can't really ever over season fish, so I'm usually pretty generous with my seasoning, especially salt and pepper. But I have to do it one fish at a time.
I have aluminum foil in this. Go ahead and use it as much as you want. Oh yeah, kettle shrimp. I like how you back. Did you catch anything?
Yeah, I don't actually. I just thought about that. Got ourselves a couple peppers here. And some salad. So you gotta have your vegetables.
I'm gonna let you finish it.
Did load up.
I'll do mine now.
Well, you guys, doesn't get a whole lot better than this.
That is good. What'd you throw on the seasoning? Everything I had?
Did everything you had. It's pretty good.
We got garlic, onion, black, and salt pepper fish.
And it is something. And honestly, guys, other than the food's being great, just look at what we're eating right inside of a lake. I know I've said this in my videos before, but if you guys have never done that, you got to give it a try. Well, you guys, you pretty much saw the day. Fishing was great. It's a beautiful day, other than a little bit of wind. You guys saw our dinner. What else can you really ask for a day? Good day of fishing, good company, good food. It's all you can really ask for. You guys know. Other than that, you guys, I don't want to bore you with a lot of chatter. You guys saw how the day went. Hopefully, you guys get to come out here and do this for yourselves. Other than that, thank you for watching videos as always. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like this video, and we'll see you guys in another video. Bye.